Alright, so this is going to be Lesson 4, Video 2, demonstrating the creative work and aspects that I added onto Lesson 4. So right off the bat, we have this drawer that was added to the home page. So if we tap on the drawer, you have two buttons, a More button and an About button. We'll visit the About button first. Tells us this application displays two different databases. The first one that the user encounters contains a list of computer science textbooks, which is the home page, and the second one contains a list of custom-built computers. And then for each of the databases, the user can add, edit, delete, or view the details on each entry. So we'll see what that's all about. Obviously, we already know how this works, and on the More tab, it works very similarly. The whole premise here is that a user would have the ability to, create their own custom computer if they wanted to. So they still have the create options. The save still validates the same way essentially, but it just has more requirements. This is still going to be the same, where you can long press and delete entries. If you want to view an entry, you can tap on it. You can also edit the entry. Say, for example, we want to change the memory to 300. We can press save, and we'll notice that the memory was updated. So, and if we look at the create as well, we can say PC case, good processor, nice motherboard, and strong supply units, and we'll just say HTTP, and we'll say that's 500 gigs. Save, go back, it was added, no image was added, but if we were to copy and paste an image, that would work just the same way. So that will conclude the lesson.